Hello, hello, hello everyone, and welcome to day 21 of our ACT Math Prep Review. Let's take a look at our problem for today. We have a pentagon, ABCDE. Angle A measures 50 degrees. They want to know what the total of the other four angles would be. So, to find the interior angle, the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, doesn't matter if it's a hexagon, pentagon, triangle, any polygon, all you have to do is use this simple formula. N minus 2 times 180. And that'll tell you what the angles inside your polygon will sum to. We have a 5-sided figure, so I'm going to put 5 in for N. When I do that, I get 3 times 180, which is 540. So all these angles together, all 5 angles together sum to 540. Well, we already know what one of the angles is, so we got to subtract that angle off. We get 490. So angle E, D, C, and B will add up to 490 degrees. And there's your answer. So say you had a triangle. All right, a triangle has how many sides? 3 sides, right? So you put 3 in for N. 3 minus 2, 1. Times that by 180. And the 3 angles of a triangle will always add up to 180 degrees. We're talking about the interior angles of all these figures. What do you think? If it's a 6-sided figure, you take 180 times 4. A 9-sided figure, you take 180 times 7. You just subtract off 2 from the number of sides. All right, that's all for today. Tomorrow's day 22.